My father built his first helicopter when I grew up. It's been a natural point between me and my father to talk about helicopter operations, technical things around the helicopter. And when we are, for example, departing from the west coast in the fjord, visiting a customer site with colleagues and are climbing out the fjord and then crossing over the mountains, it does some things with your mindset. It opens up a bit the mind and the fantasy and opportunities. It increases some things to our creativity. And that's been a culture thing with Tronrud. Tronrud Engineering was founded 40 years ago by my father. He started in his garage. Tronrud is a company designing and producing automation machines for a wide range of industries, and more specifically designing our own machine for packaging machines for the packaging industry. So we are used to being able to have a short time from the idea until the product is being delivered to the customer side, because the development time is very crucial. That's why we have been very clever to take and use new technology in order to reduce delivery time and being able to put more performance into the product. And what we see today is that it's very important to have a flexible product so the machine can do more things. The main property of the employees is the will and the curiosity to take and use new production techniques and the opportunities with the new software and the digitalization. And it's very powerful when you combine all these skills from production to design with new software and new technology. We have for a long time used Siemens design software, and one of the main reasons is certainly the functionality of the software, but the most important is the competence of the people that we have access to that makes the systems far more powerful. There's a very strong will among the Siemens employees who are very motivated to help us being successful, but that's also helping to push our engineers, since they're so motivated. So in some cases when the engineers are close to give up because it's too complex, when they then have like the motivation speech from the Siemens employee, then they won't give up, and that's help us to move even further and take and use new functionality. So that's very powerful among the Siemens culture. For us, digitalization is a huge opportunity, but it's a matter of not being afraid of the challenges, but rather take the benefit of the challenges and see how this can help us to create more value. Now, our main benefit of digitalization is that we can do more tasks simultaneously, which means that we can design the machine at the same time as we are programming the machine. We can also simulate the performance of the machine, so we can discover challenges or issues with the machine before the machine is being produced, so we can reduce production time. And when the machine first has been produced, we have reduced the test time of the machine before the machine is being shipped to the customer. Over the last 40 years, my father have always mentioned that we do practical test and failure, but that actually has changed now.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.